Welcome back to Learn Languages. I am so happy you are here. Today we learn English for two very important places, the hotel and the airport. These words and phrases are very useful for travel. Let's start right now. First, let's talk about the airport. You arrive at the airport. You need to check in. You go to the check-in desk. You say, "I would like to check in, please." Say it with me. I would like to check in, please. Very good. The person at the desk asks, "Can I see your passport, please?" You say, "Yes, here it is." Or you say, "Of course, here you go." Practice that. Here you go. It means take this. It is very natural and friendly. Now let's learn airport vocabulary. Listen and repeat. Passport, passport. Boarding pass, boarding pass. This is your ticket to get on the plane. Gate, gate. This is the door where you get on the plane. Flight, flight. Your flight is the journey on the plane. Departure, departure. This means leaving. Arrival, arrival. This means coming to a new place. Now, some very useful airport phrases. Where is gate B12? Say it again. Where is gate B12? The answer, go straight ahead and turn left. Or, take the escalator up to the second floor. Escalator. That is the moving stairs. Another phrase, is my flight on time? Say it, is my flight on time? The answer, yes, your flight is on time. Or, no, your flight is delayed. Delayed. Delayed means late. If your flight is delayed, you can say, how long is the delay? How long is the delay? Good. At security, someone may say, please remove your shoes, or please put your bag on the belt. That is the moving surface at security. They may also say, do you have any liquids? Liquids. That means water, juice, perfume, wet things. You say, yes, I have a small bottle of water. Or, no, I don't have any liquids. Now, let's move to the hotel. You arrive at the hotel. You walk to the front desk. Front desk. That is the reception area. You say, hello, I have a reservation. Hello, I have a reservation. Reservation. That means you booked a room before you arrived. The receptionist says, what is your name, please? You say your name. Then they ask, how many nights are you staying? You say, I am staying for 3 nights. Or, I am staying for 1 week. Practice. I am staying for 2 nights. Now let's learn hotel vocabulary. Listen and repeat. Room, room. Single room, a room for 1 person. Double room, a room for 2 people. Key card, this opens your hotel room door. Elevator, elevator, the machine that takes you up and down. Lobby, lobby, the entrance area of the hotel. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, everyone needs this. Breakfast included, this means breakfast is free with your room. Very useful hotel phrases. What time is breakfast? Say it. What time is breakfast? Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning. Is there Wi-Fi in the room? Practice. Is there Wi-Fi in the room? Yes, the password is on the card on your desk. Another one. Can I have a wake-up call at 7, please? Wake-up call. The hotel calls your room phone in the morning to wake you. Say it again. Can I have a wake-up call at 7, please? Great job. Now let's talk about problems at the hotel. Sometimes things go wrong. It is okay. You can ask for help. The shower is not working. Say it. The shower is not working. The air conditioning is too loud. Air conditioning. That is the machine that cools the room. My room is very noisy. Noisy. That means loud. Can I change rooms, please? Practice. Can I change rooms, please? The hotel staff will say, of course. I will find you a new room. Or, I am sorry the hotel is full tonight. Now let's learn about checking out. Check out is when you leave the hotel. You go to the front desk. You say, I would like to check out, please. Say it with me. I would like to check out, please. They ask, how was your stay? You can say it was wonderful, thank you. Or it was very comfortable. Comfortable, that means pleasant and relaxing. They give you the bill. That is the paper showing how much you pay. You can say, can I pay by credit card? Or, I would like to pay in cash. Cash. That is money, coins and notes. Let's do a quick review. At the airport you say, I would like to check in, please. Where is gate B12? Is my flight on time? At the hotel you say, I have a reservation. I am staying for 3 nights. Can I change rooms, please? I would like to check out, please. You have learned so many useful phrases today. You are doing amazing. Now I want you to practice. Imagine you are at a hotel. Say out loud, hello, I have a reservation. My name is, and say your name. Then say, I am staying for 2 nights. Practice this every day and you will feel confident. Thank you so much for watching. In part 12, we learn how to make plans and invite friends. That is very fun. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video. It helps other beginners find us, and subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.